Kodi 18, should I use it? Is it ready to be used? We discuss in this Life Gains cord cutting video.
In time, you will know what it's like to lose. To feel so desperately that you're right, but to fail all the same. Dread it. Run from it. Destiny still arrives.
What's up, everybody? You're in the building with Uncle Mont. Today we're talking about, should you go ahead and install Kodi 18? What does that entail? And we're gonna jump into it right now. Before we do that, y'all know I gotta put on my +7 glasses of sexy as hell, work on skilling up my craft, giving you all a better YouTube experience, something better to look at. If you follow this channel for the money saving and fitness, go on down there, click in the video description, subscribe to Life Gains, the fitness and financial channel. If you like any of the gear you see me wearing, you want to read blogs we do, go to shoplifegains.com. So Kodi 18, by all accounts, is ready to go. I played with it, I tested it, and I'm gonna take you guys in there right now. I've already got it loaded on a Fire TV stick. We'll launch it. Looks, tastes, and feel just like the Kodi you are already familiar with. And for the most part, the different things I played up here in terms of add-ons was running really well. You guys can go ahead and test this one out and play with it at your own leisure. They're calling this one Kodi Leah, and I'm gonna show you how to get it in 2 minutes. So I'm gonna escape out of here, and we're gonna meet over there at the home screen of the Fire TV stick. So if you're not familiar with Downloader, or if this is your first time using the Fire TV stick, you're gonna wanna go to the search feature on your Fire TV stick and just input DON for down, and it should come right on up. You see on mine, it comes right there as Downloader. I want you to click that and install it. I've already got it. Once you install it, let's meet at the home screen. I'll show you the link you can use to get Kodi 18 Leah. First, before you do that, let me go ahead and warn you. You're gonna wanna go into your settings. You're gonna wanna scroll over to device. You're going to want to click on developer options. From there, you're going to want to turn on apps from unknown sources. In order to receive different apps that are not within the realm of their app store, you have to click that to get these apps. So do that, and then we'll meet at the home screen of Downloader. Okay, so we're at the home screen of Downloader. This is what it would look like. I'm going to give you guys a URL to put in there. If you're familiar with Kodi, the URL is kodi.tv. You could put that in there, but it won't take you to the specific download portion you need for a Fire TV stick. I've got that in here, and I'm gonna show you what that is. You're gonna wanna input bit.ly /2 capital P, lowercase p, the number 2, lowercase a, lowercase s, and the number 6. Don't worry, it's in the video description, so that you ain't got to worry about it. And once you get it in there, you just click it, and you see it pops up with a list of all the Android ARM applications they have for you. And you can click on any one of these. So I would just go ahead and click on the latest release, which is today. So go ahead and click that one. Depending upon your internet speed, it's going to take a second or two. Just give it some time. All right, I've already got it installed. That's why mine comes up like this, but you would just drop down, click install. Okay, once it gets to this point, you're done. You can just click done, and I always tell you guys to save space on your stick. You want to delete here, delete again, then you can exit this and go and open up the program right from the Manage Install Application screen. Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are still using Kodi at your leisure and enjoying it. This is the latest update to Kodi. It's probably going to run for about a year or so. It's working pretty well. Everybody that is using it has said they liked it so far. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like my video, comment, and subscribe. Please share this message of Life Gains. If you follow this channel for the fitness and financial help, the real estate and all that good stuff, click the video link below. for Life Gains Financial YouTube channel. I've split the channels up. If you like the gear I wear, you want to read my blog, support this channel, go to shoplifegains.com. You can get gear and all that good stuff. And until the next Sex is Hell video, I'll see you.